Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title, in today's video I will be showing you all my denim jeans collection. I feel like this video is a long time coming because I have been building up my denim jeans collection, so I'm excited to show you all what I got, and if this is something you're interested in, stay tuned and let's get into the video. The first pair of jeans are my most basic ones. They are these high-waisted skinny jeans. I love the way these fit. They are a dark wash. They're also so easy to pair with literally anything. And I got these jeans from Aeropostale. I love the fact that they go all the way down to my ankles, so styling them with different types of shoes is also so easy. And I really just feel like everyone needs at least one pair of solid, simple denim jeans. This next pair is another high-waisted one. They are these skinny jeans and just like the last ones, they also touch my ankles, which I absolutely love. I feel like finding jeans that actually touch your ankles is hard when you are tall, so I love these jeans. As you can see, there's also a bit of distressing on them, and they are medium wash. I of course got these jeans from Aeropostale, just like the last ones. You can tell because the detailing is a bit similar. But yeah, these are one of my favorite pair of jeans, and I actually enjoy going out in these because I feel like they give detail to any outfit you style them with. These next pair of jeans are a pair of high-waisted black denim jeans, and just like the last two, they are also skinny jeans, and just like the last ones, there's also a bit of distressing on them. I love these jeans because they touch my ankles, and again, it is so hard to find that when you are tall. I got these jeans from Forever 21. I feel like everyone needs a pair of black denim jeans in their closet. I feel like a different color denim really tops off your wardrobe, and black denim jeans are just perfect staples. The next pair is one you all have definitely seen before. At one point, these were my absolute favorite pair of jeans. I would wear them all the time. These jeans are a pair of high-waisted mom jeans that I got from Hollister. They are wide leg on the bottom, and they are more of a straight fitting pair of jeans. They are also light washed. I feel like mom jeans really top a casual outfit and just makes it so much better. You could definitely style a t-shirt or just any type of casual piece with these mom jeans, and it would make the outfit look so much more put together. These jeans are definitely one you've seen before as well. Here I'm wearing another pair of high-waisted black denim jeans. These denim jeans are much different than the ones that I showed you before. They are super fitted on the waistline. There are also a ton of buttons on them for detailing purposes. There's also some cinching at the waist, and the waistline fits like a corset, if that makes sense. It's so fitting that your waist is literally not going anywhere. And then these jeans get a little puffier on the bottom as it goes down until it gets to the very bottom by the ankles where it is skinny jean fitting. So there's so much detail going on with these pair of jeans, and I feel like everyone needs a pair of jeans that has some weird, funky type of detailing on them, and these are the pair for me. This next pair is one that I know you all have seen a lot recently. Here I am wearing my absolute favorite pair of jeans at the moment, and I got these from Aeropostale. They are a pair of high-waisted boyfriend type jeans. They are also straight fitting and wider on the bottom. There's also a ton of distressing on them all along the front of the jeans. These are another pair of jeans that you could definitely dress up or dress down. You can make a casual outfit or something a little less casual. These jeans would definitely be perfect with sandal heels, or for the winter, fall time, some booties. So there's just so many different ways you can style these, and I feel like this is the perfect type of jean to have. And going along with that, I also got these pair of black boyfriend jeans from Aeropostale as well. They are the same exact jeans as the last ones I showed you, except they are in black. So they are also straight leg, loose fitting on the bottom, and high-waisted. They also have distressing all over them as well. It's not as much as the last pair, but they definitely do have distressing on them. Again, with these, I feel like you could definitely style them in so many different ways, and it would be so cute. I honestly cannot wait to style this with a graphic tee. I feel like that would be a perfect outfit. So yeah, that concludes this video. Thank you all so much for watching. Please don't forget to comment down below where you get your denim jeans from. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see you all right back here next time with another video. Bye guys.